far as going deep enough into talking to the human being on the other end of the phone. And hopefully you can all feel it. I can feel it when I'm talking to the person. I'm not asking data gathering questions anymore. I'm not running a sales call. I'm talking to your soul. I'm talking to your heart. Can you feel that, guys? Anyone else feel that? Yeah. Now we have to use the data to get there. Otherwise, you're just trying to have some fucking heartfelt conversation with someone and they're like, who the fuck are you? You haven't asked me any details about my situation, my business, the data. But once you've got all of that, you've got clear, you can see the patterns, you can then talk to the human being. All right. That's pretty much it, guys. We would just roll out, okay, so you don't want to be lazy, what is it you feel you need as far as training or support or mentorship or accountability or a community, so that with your new commitment to not being lazy, you actually have something to apply yourself to. Oh, I need this, and this. Okay, why, if you do you feel like we're the people? And this would be subtle, but instead of saying, why do you feel we're the people to give you the training, support, mentorship community? I wouldn't say that. I would say, why, if you do you feel like we're the people that you want to align yourself with to no longer be lazy? Well, I align to this brand or to this personal this personal brand or this individual because of this reason. Like all of you that joined the Unicorn Closer Mastermind that at some point decided you don't want to be lazy and settle for 15K a month, you didn't align to the fact that we're going to teach you scriptless selling. You aligned to the identity of my personal brand, what I represent, what I'm about. Higher standards, living the life of your dreams, not fucking lying to yourself that you don't want the watch, that you don't want the house, that you don't want to retire your parents. It wasn't the vehicle that you aligned yourself with. It was, I want to align myself with this person, which also is the difference between having a mentor and having a course. When you decide to show up in a different way, you truly align yourself to the person, the mentor, not the thing. Now, the thing is important because that's how the mentor became the mentor. But if someone else could tell you on a YouTube video, I can teach you scriptless selling, and you're seeing them living a life that you don't align with, you wouldn't want the scriptless selling anymore. And it's the same when you're on a sales call to your prospect. Okay, so you feel you need this thing, this thing, this thing. Why do you feel like we, our personal brand, us, the identity of our business, are the people to give you those things? Well, and what Jeremy would probably say as a realistic prospect would be going back to the thing he said about, I'm seeing people charging triple price or double price, higher price, whatever. I align to the fact that these people that are your students, that are your clients, they also seem to be the people that are not lazy. I want to be around those types of people. It's not, oh, I liked your WYSIWYG 2000 system. It was, I align myself that that's the identity that I want to uphold. I want to be someone committed. I want to be someone playing a bigger game. I want to be someone that's stepping into the top 1%. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.